Hi!
Iris, you're still coming to the party, right?
Yes, I am getting ready for that stupid party.
You have to come.
But,
you
okay.
really have to.
Come on. Do I really have to go?
You know what? I heard Cole's coming too.
Wait? And you're telling me this now? I'm not even close to ready! My hair is just plain boring. You don't have to go to the salon to look like a K-pop star. Taeyeon changes her hairstyle all the time, and this look in particular, I think this is so cute. This is called the Hippie Perm in Korea, and it's so trendy. It's like a retro, totally 60s-like look, but you know how we call it neutral these days? So this is still gonna be perfect for 2020. But if you don't know if you want like a permanent perm, you can actually try it at home. You can simply do this at home with a flat iron and hair essence. But by the way, if you naturally have wavy hair, skip to the next hack. And this essence is really important to save and protect your hair. Like I said, apply the hair essence first so that you can protect your hair from the heat. And then section your hair into 4. I'm just gonna section my hair smaller, so depending on how much hair you have, just negotiate as you go. Next, twist them real tight. Gently run the flat iron over it from the top, 15 seconds each. Curl the ends towards inside for a natural finish. And now wait until they cool down. And while you wait, you can do the other sections. When they're all cooled down enough, gently untangle using your hands. Ta-da! Now you have a hippie perm that literally anyone can easily follow. Have you guys seen the latest video of HyunA's single Flower Shower? In the video, she has a really unique half updo, and she had wavy hair, but straight hair will look really nice too. Let's just try that out now. Firstly, grab some of the hair above your ears and pull it near your cheeks. And using a big hair clip, hold the upper part of your hair at the back. This section will help us cover the back at the last step. Now hold these 2 strands and using your index finger, draw them back while twisting them. Pin the strands near the scalp as close as possible. And of course, do the same on the other side. Now loosen the big hair clip and hide the hairpins. Voila! HyunA actually did this 3 times, so there's 3 strands on each side, but we just kept it simple. What do you think? The ponytail never gets out of style for girl group members, and it's actually a trademark of Irene from Red Velvet. It looks so effortless, right? But it's never effortless. Today, I am going to try pigtails. First, section your hair into 2 and tie them high up. Make sure you have a bit of baby hair to make a more natural look ponytail. Rub gently along the hairlines on the sides rather than rubbing the middle of your hairline. Pull out a thin strip of hair from each side and wrap it to hide the hair tie. hide the end in the back, and pin them using a bobby pin. And then we're gonna use a tail comb to volumize the upper part. It's harder to control the volume if you do it with your hands, so use a tail comb. So I guess we can still look like a K-pop idol without getting our hair actually done by a professional. Hope these seemingly effortless K-pop idol hacks will make your special day even more special. Thank you guys for tuning till the end. But haven't you noticed anything about today's video? Maybe it was a little too quiet? Or maybe there were no interruptions? Well, that's because we've turned off ads for you guys. We know how annoying it is and how interrupting it is to have to watch an ad before the video you want to watch. So after discussion, our team has decided to turn our ads off for your viewing pleasure. We hope that with this change, you guys are able to watch and enjoy our videos with more ease with no interruption. From now on, BeautyHACKers will do with more K-pop and K-beauty. We've done our hair now, so we need makeup. Who's your K-pop makeup wannabe? Let us know in the comments below and we'll prepare it for you. If you found these hacks helpful today, or if you've thought of anything about the video, please let us know down below. Now, until our next episode of BeautyHACKers, so long, partner. 안녕. Don't worry about your LTE data running out and subscribe to our Wishtrend TV podcast. You can listen to them like a radio, so stay tuned for new episodes. Okay?